If you use dual SIM on your iPhone, you can choose which number to use for calls and texts by setting a default voice line. Here's how to do it. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Service depending on your device. Here, you will see both of your active lines listed. After that, tap on Default Voice Line. This is the number your iPhone will use for outgoing calls and messages by default. Select the SIM or eSIM you want as your default. You can also assign specific lines to individual contacts later. And that's all. Now your iPhone knows which number to use when you make calls or send texts, and you can still switch lines manually anytime during a call or a message. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.